Okay, this is our #1 side dish at my pop-up. Charred Brussels sprouts with cashew cream. It's thinly sliced Brussels sprouts. It's coconut milk, cashew nuts, lemon juice, lemon zest, and mint. If you drop it down your shirt, don't worry. Nope. And at the pop-up, I serve it with a big bone marrow. You can do that at home, but I'm gonna show you the simple version. We shave whole raw Brussels sprouts. I like to use this mandolin. Be careful, don't cut your fingers, and don't blame me when you do it, all right? Look at how I'm using the palm of my hand. Actually, you know what? You deserve to know this tip. Give me a second. Here's the tip. If you're gonna do this at home, first of all, buy the small mandolin. Then, take your Brussels, put it on a fork like this, and use the fork to shave the Brussels so you keep your hand completely away from it, okay? You got it? Do it. In the meanwhile, let's chop some cashews. And the cashews should be lightly toasted. They don't have to be more than that. And then roughly chopped. Lemon zest with Brussels, match made in heaven. Remember to start at the top and work your way to the bottom, and then twist the lemon and twist the lemon. The top layer of skin is where the oils are and where the flavor is. So that's why I'm shaving and moving. All right, let's saute. Pan is hot. Can you tell it's hot? Smoke is a good sign here. Okay, when I put the oil in, it's gonna heat up very quickly, so I'm gonna move very fast to grab the Brussels. Look at how hot that oil is already at the smoke point, which is good. And here we go. Up. There we go. Make sure it's dry, like this was nice and dry. You could see that it wasn't wet from washing. Don't wash them after you slice them. Salt at the beginning. You want to be patient here and just wait. Wait for them to brown, and then once the bottom layer is brown, we're gonna toss it. I can see that it's starting to brown on the outside edges. Can you see that, the outside edges? See how they're brown? That's when you know it's time to flip. See that? Nice and brown. Nice and brown, that's what you want. Okay? Also, one very important sign of doneness here is the smell. It should smell like roasting chestnuts or almost like firewood. I just want you to see the browning here that's occurring. That's because we were patient. We waited for the pan to get hot. We waited for the oil to get hot. If we rushed any part of that, we'd have steamed Brussels and it wouldn't taste good at all. All right, we're gonna add cashews. Okay, let's just let those toast a little bit to reactivate the oils in them. Next, we're gonna add some coconut milk. This is a full-fat coconut milk with all the cream. If you were here, you'd be able to smell a really delicious coconut smell. Coconut milk is pretty sweet, hence the lemon. I think a half a lemon is gonna be more than enough in this case. We're gonna add the lemon zest. And we're basically done. Let's plate it. You could make this ahead of time. You could let it come to room temp. Serve it right out of the pan like this. Let's garnish it with a little more mint. All right, let's give it a taste. I happen to be a big fan of Brussels. Coconut milk really does a lot of work in this dish. And the lemon juice, it's all working. You're gonna love this.
Simple, delicious, come on, right?
Simple, delicious, come on, right? I'm just quoting you now, that's good, that's good.